Animal cruelty laws were originally focused on the harm that could be done to people by allowing people to commit crimes against animals. They were not so much focused on what actually happened to the animals or the animals' pain and suffering as a result of that cruelty. The laws really evolved in that now we have great evidence of how much animals can suffer both physically and psychologically when crimes are committed. So animal cruelty laws likewise now recognize that animals can be harmed, they can suffer, and so forth. And for that reason, in some places, and Oregon is one state that has now recognized that animals can be victims of crimes. And what does that mean? Well, when the state recognizes that you are a crime victim or an individual is a crime victim, that comes with some very specific rights. And one of those is that you have a right to sue the person who committed a crime against you for damages that will help to cover for however you were harmed by that crime. So here we have a horse named Justice, and this is in the state of Oregon. We have his abuser who has pled guilty and admits causing the harm to Justice, which comes in the form of injuries that he sustained by being neglected, which he'll suffer for the rest of his life. So Justice the horse is going to need to have very expensive medical care for the rest of his life. The question comes down to his status as a recognized crime victim in the state should give him that right to sue the person who committed that crime, the abuser, to recover the costs of his medical care for the rest of his life. If that doesn't happen, who's going to cover those costs? Is it going to be the state? Should it be the people, taxpayers? Should it be people who have donated money to a private sanctuary? That's profoundly unfair. You know, the situation here is really clear. The abuser who caused the harm that's resulting in those medical bills should be the one to pay. The Animal Legal Defense Fund is committed to defending the rights of animals like Justice the horse and fulfilling our mission to protect the lives and advance the interests of animals through the legal system. And we need your help. To find out how you can get involved and support our efforts, please go to aldf.org/justice. Thank you.